Personalities and nicknames in easy way for ADRE. So, Sahitya Samrat Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Iron Lady of India, Indira Gandhi, Father of Indian Cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke, Akbar of Kashmir, Jainalabdin, Deshbandhu, Chitranjan Das, Dinbandhu, Charles Freer Andrews, Birdman of India, Salim Ali, Light of Asia, Gautam Buddha, Grand Old Man of India, Dadabhai Naoroji, Patriot of Patriots, Subhash Chandra Bose, Frontier Gandhi, Khan Abdul Jafar Khan, Punjab Kesari, Lala Rajpat Rai, and also he is known as Lion of Father of Self-Government, Lord Ripon, Father of Indian National Congress, A.O. Hume or Alon Octavian Hume, Tiger of Mysore, Tipu Sultan, Flying Sikh, Mikka Singh, Desh Ratna, Ajat Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Parrot of India, Amir Khusro, Shakespeare of India, Kalidas, Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Golden Guard or Udan